Hi guys, today I will tell you how to withdraw money from Payoneer to your bank account. So it is very easy and you can easily withdraw your money from Payoneer to your local bank account. So let's start this method. First of all, you need to open the Payoneer.com website and click on login as you can see here. After that, enter your username and password and you will get this screen as you can see here. So what you need to do, just hold your mouse at withdraw and click on to bank account. After that you will see this screen as it's showing here. So what you need to do now is to click on the withdraw from, like if you have the amount in euro or in pounds or in US dollars, you just need to select which amount you want to withdraw. So as I have amount in dollars, I will click on this. So now you can see here that I have to just enter the amount that I want to withdraw from here. So I have $379, so I am going for $340 that I want to withdraw. Just enter the amount and click on review. And now you can see here that it has also told you about the exchange rate. At 1 USD dollar is 113 PKR right now, so the total amount of 340 US dollar will be 38,554 rupees. So just confirm here and click on withdraw. So that's it, you have successfully transferred the amount. Thank you. I hope this video will help you to withdraw money from your Payoneer account to your bank account.